Good morning, respected parents and my dear students. How are you all? Today we are going to study grade 4 science. Before starting our topic, I would like to tell you the resources for today so that you can keep the resources with yourself to do the activity. We need the first one thing is that the sapling of any plant. You can keep a sapling or you can keep some seeds, whichever you want. The second one is the water. Third one is the shovel. You can go outside to plant the sapling or you can do at your home in a pot. Now, I would like to request my respected parents, please do not give the answer to your child. Let them think. So today we are going to talk about the block number 2 and topic number 4. Before starting our topic, I would like to ask the question from the previous topic. Now, please tell me, why do the animals need the plants? Okay, the animals need the plants for eating, and most of the animals, they used to eat the plants, all the things made up of plant, right? Herbivores and the omnivores plant animals. The second one is for shelter, as we have discussed that the animals take the shelter under the tree or on the trees. Okay, now third, for hiding themselves. Yes, whenever they are feeling like someone is going to eat them, for escaping from their predators, यानी जंगली जानवरों से बचने के लिए, जो खूंखार होते हैं, जो खाने वाले होते हैं, उनसे बचने के लिए वो अपने आप को पेड़ों के पीछे या पेड़ों के छांव में या फिर लंबी लंबी घास में वो अपना छिप जाते हैं. The next one is for the oxygen. सांस लेने के लिए they need the oxygen from the plants. Yes, very good. Now, can you tell me, where do you get lot of trees to see? In the house, or in the park, or in the jungle, forest में? Yes, we used to see lot of trees and the plants in the forest. Yes, can you tell me why the forests are important for us? The forests are important because they gives us the timber. बड़ी बड़ी लकड़ियाँ देते हैं for the furniture, for the making the things. Very good. Then for the medicines, दवाई भी वहाँ से मिलती है हमें. And then what? And then oxygen. Yes, the thing that we get from the forest is the oxygen also we get from the forest. Now can you tell me who have planted the forest? The forest is a natural thing and that has been planted by the animals, or maybe by the birds, or maybe with the help of wind or the water, by the dispersal of seeds. Wow, good. So today our topic is based on this only. Let's move towards our topic. Our fourth topic is one Mahotsav. Mahotsav means some festival we used to call. The aim is explain the importance of one Mahotsav. हमें explain करना है कि one Mahotsav का क्या महत्व है. Now what we will do today, we will go outside and going to plant a sapling. If you can go out, if you have the space in your garden or outside your house, so it's very good. Otherwise you can keep the pot with you and you can plant the sapling over there. Okay, so as you know the resources, the sapling or the seed, the shovel and the water. Let's move. While going outside, I'm going to tell you one amazing fact regarding bamboo. Do you know bamboo is not a tree, it's not a climber or the creeper, it's a grass. So we are outside and I'm going to plant a sapling of marigold. This is a marigold plant, so come with me. You can see I have a pot. So the soil is a little bit harder, so I'm going to pour some water to make it soft. Just dig the soil. put the root part inside the soil. Cover the root nicely. Then put some. I have the natural manure that is made up of cow dung. So I'm going to put it here a little bit. Then again pour the water. Yes. This is my marigold plant and I'm going to name it a Mary. It's a Mary plant. So, and every day I'm going to come and see, and I will give the water to it. I hope you all have enjoyed the activity by planting a sapling. Do take care of the plants every day. Water your plants so that it can be a healthy plants. Now, let's move towards our questioning part. So the first question is, what did you do to the plant, the sapling? We dig the soil, planted the sapling, add manure and watered the sapling. The next question is, what will happen when the saplings grow? The sapling which I have grown will become a beautiful flowering plant of marigold. The third question is, how will the plants help us? The plants give us fresh air, rain, fruits, flowers and vegetables when they grow. The next question is, why should we grow new plants? We should grow new plants because we get various things from plants. The next question is, do you know that there is an annual festival in India when people plant trees? Yes, we know. The government of India started a drive of planting tree in the first week of July every year. People plant small trees called saplings in school, offices, homes, colonies and public places. This festival is called Van Mahotsav. The next question is, how do you think it is helpful? This drive makes people aware that plants are very useful for us and we should not cut the unnecessarily. मीन्स जो ये अभियान शुरू किया है उससे ये होता है कि हमें प्लांट्स नहीं काटने चाहिए खामखा. The next question is, how can you participate in it? We can participate in it by planting more and more trees. The next question is, how will planting trees help future generations? Lots of trees are being cut by humans for their needs and to make houses, roads, markets, factories for the growing population, due to which the trees are becoming scarce. By planting more trees, the future generation will be able to get useful products from them. Next is, can Van Mahotsav replace the laws that we have? The next question is, can Van Mahotsav replace the loss that we have already suffered by the cutting trees? Why? Yes, Van Mahotsav can replace the loss that have already suffered by cutting trees to a certain extent. If we keep planting trees in future, maybe we can completely recover the loss. The next question is, why is it good to plant trees in the first week of July? Growing plants need a lot of water. The rainy season starts in July, so the saplings get enough water to grow. They can be planted in other months, but lots of water will be required for them. Dear students, please read page number 11 of content book. Dear students, do S4 of page number 17 in your notebook. The question number 1 is, read the passage and answer the questions. The Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh announced a week-long festival to celebrate plants called Van Mahotsav. This is celebrated every year in the first week of July. The students, staff and principal of the city school in Lucknow got together to plant hundreds of saplings of different types of trees in and around the school. It is estimated that about 15 crore saplings will be planted in the state. Now, the first question is, what is Van Mahotsav? The second question is, when is it celebrated? कब मनाया जाता है ये? The third, how will planting trees help future generation? जो हमारे आने वाली जो जनरेशन है, पीढ़ी है, उनके लिए जो हम ये प्लांट लगा रहे हैं वो कैसे यूजफुल हो गए? The next is, can saplings be planted in any other months? Why or why not? क्या जो ये प्लांट की सैपलिंग्स होती है, पौध होती है, वो किसी और मंथ में भी लग सकती है? हाँ. Homework for today is do question number 8 of practice question, page number 12 in notebook. Question is, can Van Mahotsav replace the loss that we have already suffered by cutting trees? Why? Now, one amazing fact that every year near about 5 Arabs trees are planted, but 10 अरब काटे भी जा रहे हैं. So let's sum up what we have done today. Van Mahotsav is celebrated annually in the month of July. The first week is for the Van Mahotsav. In this, all the schools, offices, homes, everyone used to participate in this and they used to plant the seeds. Next is that it makes the people aware that the plants are very useful for us. The third one is, this Van Mahotsav has been started by the Indian government. Next is, on the Van Mahotsav, the people used to plant the seedlings or the saplings of the plants. Thank you everyone. Before saying bye, one amazing fact that 85% of the plant life is found in oceans. Thank you and have a nice day.